Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make quick and easy homemade greeting cards using dies from Spellbinders. In this tutorial, I'm featuring the new Love Grows and Sweet Letters dies from the Great Big Wonderful World collection by Sharyn Sowell. You'll find links to these new Spellbinders releases in the description area below. Enjoy the video. For our first card, we begin by die cutting with a Spellbinders Sweet Letters die on plain cardstock. I have a pre-made card base that measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. For the background, I trimmed a piece of designer paper 1/8 of an inch less. I then apply glue to the back of my die cut shape and adhere it to the front of my card. Next, I take a sentiment from the Spellbinders Words Are Not Enough clear stamp collection and stamp the bottom of my card. And last, I glue down a couple of sequin and my card is complete. For my next homemade card, I'm using the Spellbinders Love Grows metal die by Sharyn Sowell. Before die cutting this piece, I tape down the sentiment insert along with the end flourishes with washi tape. You can also choose to die cut the sentiment and flourishes separately, like you see here. Now this method is a little bit more involved, but with a fine tip glue, it's doable, and the results are beautiful. Now back to the first method. Once I've die cut my piece, I carefully remove my washi so that I don't tear my die cut. And with the help of my Spellbinders tool-in-one, I'm able to clean off the small pieces. For the background, I chose this pale yellow designer paper. I do a bit of eye measuring, trim it down to size, and tape it down using some double-sided tape. Now I'm ready to glue down my die cut piece. I add a couple of flat back pearls and I'm done. I hope that you've enjoyed this easy and quick handmade cards tutorial. I hope that I've inspired you in your own creativity. And if you just happen to land on this video and you're not subscribed, I invite you to click on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon. At Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making, I focus on paper crafting tutorials and project shares. Leave me a comment and let me know what other types of tutorials you would like to see on my channel. I'll see you once again in the next video. Bye now.